Day is finally started here at the
सुबह
academy.
8 बजे
Pretty much we're looking to finish quite so cool guys, you know the
दिन
way
के
the
पौने 12 बजे
CMS college has painted it. We were just talking about
दोपहर
coming
पौने
online and
3 बजे
offline.
रात पौने 8 बजे रात पौने 11 बजे
The day is finally started here at the academy. So pretty much we're looking to finish SBL in the first half. But yeah, quite an interesting day today considering 1 month is left for the June attempts. A lot of students are finally finishing up their syllabus. So pretty much guys, is a good reminder. Please make sure everything is done because May is coming in and this month has to be question practice. So please make sure finish everything. Whatever is there, 3 days are still there. Try to maximize these 3 days, try to finish everything in this month itself so that the next month can just purely be question practice. Okay, quick reminder guys, please try to prioritize. We were just talking about Priyanshu coming online and offline. So what is better, bro? What do you think? You have done online with me, you've done offline. What do you think works better for you?
Offline.
Why? What is different about offline that you really feel? Kripa, what about you? Offline क्यों better लग रहा है आपको?
ऑफलाइन इसलिए क्योंकि ऑनलाइन मेरे को मतलब समझ में आता है बट कॉन्सेप्शन मेरा क्लियर नहीं हो पाता है ऑनलाइन
Offline you feel better ना थोड़ा you are more focused, more engaged.
फोकस्ड होता है
What about you,
अभी
Vivek?
ऑनलाइन में बाजू फोन पे फोन उठा
फोन भी चल रहा है, हैबिट आता है. What about you, Vivek?
Sir, concentration will be more.
हाँ.
नींद नहीं आती है. Focus more.
नींद नहीं आती. ऑनलाइन में स्टूडेंट फील स्लीपी.
We may focus more
ऑनलाइन
on
में तो बहुत
class.
नींद आती है
rather
ऑफलाइन
than
में अगर मैं ऑफलाइन आता तो मेरे को ज्यादा
You feel a little bit more focused, yeah. Thanks, yeah. Thanks for the update, and yeah, happy to. No, yeah, Shlok and Vedant. What about you guys, yeah? Getting you on the vlog as well. What about you, Vedant? Why do you think online is better, offline is better? Offline is better, huh? So we can see the chemistry of Vivek and Vaibhav. What about Shlok? Any inputs, bro? We can make fun of Shlok, huh?
हाँ, ये बात हुई भाई.
Okay, chalo, noted. So cool, guys. You know the way the CMS college has painted its walls. Super exciting, guys. Love the energy of this college. Yeah, there's always something going on. So today's real topic that I'm making is the changes that one of the biggest changes that have happened in ACCA. इतने सारे points हैं, so I'm just making sure that I go through them really well. Don't miss any point. Really excited for this reel once it comes out. यार ये वाला अच्छा है बट यार वेरी स्पेसिफिक थिंग इन एसीसी देयर इज अ स्टैंडर्ड दैट हैज बीन डिलीटेड व्हाट अबाउट इट आप सोचो
There is a
स्टैंडर्ड दैट हैज बीन डिलीटेड सर आई हर्ड देयर इज एन एसीसी स्टैंडर्ड दैट इज डिलीटेड व्हाट अबाउट इट सर आई हर्ड
there is a ACCA standard deleted. What?
ऐसे होगा ना इस बार करते हैं मैं चलता रहूंगा ये मैं पीछे
Sir, there is a ACCA standard deleted. What is that, sir?
oh yeah and instead of that there is IFRS 18 the context being for the first time
धीरे धीरे चलो धीरे धीरे जाओ विवेक
Sir. Hi, sir.
my man
Hi, sir. There is a ACCA standard deleted. What is that, sir?
Oh yes, IAS 1 has been deleted and instead of that we have IFRS 18. For the first time in the last 10 years, there is a change in the way the PNL is presented. Because you know what used to happen before?